In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about under the sink plumbing so you can fix leaks and clogs without calling a pro every time. Alright, so first off, always make sure you shut off the water supply before you start messing with the pipes under the sink. You don't want to flood your kitchen or bathroom, trust me. Next, grab a bucket and some towels because when you disconnect the pipes, some water is going to spill out. If you're dealing with a clogged drain, try using a plunger or a drain snake instead of harsh chemicals. That stuff can mess up your pipes over time. When you're tightening any connections, don't crank them too hard or you might crack the fittings. Just get them snug enough so they don't leak. If your pipes are old or corroded, it's smart to replace them with PVC or flexible braided lines for better durability. Also, check the P-trap, that's the curved pipe under your sink, and it often traps debris causing clogs. Cleaning it out regularly can save you headaches later on. Lastly, if you notice any weird smells coming from the sink drain, it might be because of a dry P-trap, so just run some water through it to keep the seal fresh and smelling clean. One of the biggest mistakes people make with under the sink plumbing is not turning off the water supply before working on it, which leads to water everywhere and a total mess. Another common issue is over-tightening pipe fittings, which can crack pipes and cause leaks that are way worse than what you started with. And don't forget about ignoring the P-trap. If it gets clogged or dries out, you'll get nasty smells and slow drains. Just take it apart and clean it out, or pour water through regularly to keep things flowing smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find new clients looking for reliable work done right.